What can moringa do to your body? Moringa, this versatile and nutrient-rich plant, is often referred to as the drumstick tree, or miracle tree, due to its various edible parts and medicinal properties. Its leaves, pods, and seeds are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a true powerhouse for your body. But what exactly can moringa do for you? Boosts energy. Packed with iron and B vitamins, moringa can combat fatigue and leave you feeling energized all day long. Strengthens immunity. Moringa's high vitamin C content acts as a shield against infections, keeping you healthy and protected. Lowers blood sugar. Studies have shown that moringa can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those with diabetes or prediabetes. Fights inflammation. Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce pain and swelling, whether it's from chronic conditions like arthritis or everyday aches and pains. Protects your cells. Moringa's antioxidant powerhouses combat harmful free radicals that damage your cells, making it anti-aging. Reduces cholesterol. Some evidence suggests that moringa might lower blood pressure and reduce fat in the blood and body. Supports digestive health. Moringa is known to have mild laxative effects, aiding in digestion and promoting a healthy gut. The fiber content helps regulate bowel movements and supports overall digestive well-being. And not just that, it's also being studied for its potential benefits in brain health, skin health, and even cancer prevention. So what do you think? Drop a comment below and let us know if you love moringa.